everyone, let's take a look at day 3's practice, okay? For day 3's practice, there are lots of word problems. So for any word problem, we should read it at first and then underline the keywords. So for question 1, let's read it. Emma has 13 strawberries. Emma has 2 fewer strawberries than Owen. How many strawberries does Owen have? So how can we solve it out? At first, let's underline the key words. The key words means the most important information in this question. It can be numbers and the question. So now we can see the first key word will be 13. And Emma has 2 fewer than Owen. How many strawberries does Owen have? So the number of Owen's strawberry will be the final question. So now we can draw the numbered line to help us. Okay, we will draw one line segment to show Emma's strawberry is 13 at first. And now we know Emma has 2 fewer than Owen. So it means Emma's strawberries will be less. So now if we draw a line segment for Owen, it should be longer than Emma's line segment because Emma's strawberries will be 2 fewer. So now for Owen's line segment will be longer. So what's the difference between the 2 line segments? It will be 2. Now everyone, we know this part and this part will be the same, which is 13, and Owen will has 2 more than Emma. So for Owen's strawberry it will be 13 plus 2, which is 15. So we can use line segments to show the relationship between the numbers. And we can take a look at question 4, okay? So Robot's weight is 10 kilograms. Let's underline the key words. Bob is 5 kilograms heavier than Robot. Wolfie is 7 kilograms lighter than Robot. How much does Wolfie weigh? So in this question, how many main characters are there? We have Robo, we have Bob, and also we have Wolfie. 3 people, right? So we can draw the line segments as well. For Robo, we can draw a line segment to show the weight, which is 10 kilograms. And Bob is 5 kilograms heavier than Robo. So if we draw a line segment to show Bob's weight, should it be longer or shorter? Bob is heavier, so it should be longer, is it? So how much longer? It will be 5 kilograms heavier. So this part will be 5 kilograms. And now for Bob's weight, we know this part will be the same, which is 10 kilograms. So now we know for Bob, it will be 10 plus 5. The weight of Bob is 15 kilograms. And now for Wolfie, let's write down Wolfie at first. Wolfie is 7 kilograms lighter than Bob. So if we draw a line segment for Wolfie, it should be shorter than Bob. Okay, so how much shorter? 7 kilograms lighter. So it means for the difference part, it will be 7. And now we know for the whole line segment, it can represent 15, what we can get from here. So now for the remaining part, this part, we can do the whole, the 15, take away the difference part, 7 kilograms, and then the weight of Wolfie will be 8 kilograms. Does it make sense? So we can draw the line segments one by one to analyze the relationship among the numbers. Okay?